Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is an unboxing and I am so excited to see what's in here. So the beautiful Audrey Berm from Audrey Berry Studios on the west side of Canada reached out to me recently and said that she wanted to send me something, and of course I gave her my address and it arrived about an hour ago, and I can't tell you how excited I am. I'm in the middle of doing a glaze marathon and I just thought, oh, well, I'll record it later, but I just couldn't stop thinking about it sitting in the kitchen. So I decided to get myself set up, and I hope I've got enough battery left in my iPad to film this unboxing. But just before I get into it, I just wanted to say a little bit about Audrey and what she actually means to me. So for those of you that may be new to my channel, I started my channel last June, and my journey with clay and glaze is I'm about 4 years now, and I've been watching Audrey for probably about that long, and I never commented on a video, never liked a video or subscribed or anything like that in the early days, because I don't know, I just, it's not something that I thought about. It's not something that I thought I could do. Never really understood what all of that meant. Obviously I do now. But when I decided that I wanted to launch my own channel, I reached out to Audrey and Jeanette from Far Forest, and both of them were so lovely and responded to me. And I reached out to them to just ask for some advice, really, and they were both so kind. And since then, Audrey and I have kind of communicated, and she came over to Stoke last June, actually. And unfortunately, I was unable to meet up with her when she was in Stoke because my brother decided to get married on the same day, which I thought was a bit rude. But obviously, I went to my brother's wedding. So anyway, I just wanted to share a little bit about how much Audrey means to me. She's such a lovely person, and I can't wait to see what she sent me. So I've removed all my labels. I've cut the box open because you don't need to see me get into a box. So it is open, but I haven't opened it, as in I've not seen what's inside. So should we get into it together? Look at that card. Now, I know for a fact that that is going to be an Audrey original, because she is not only an incredible potter, but she's also an incredible artist as well. And she's got beautiful writing. Too sweet as a strawberry, Sarah, sending you a basket of sweetness to lift your spirits. You're very special, and I hope this brings you some comfort and joy. Love from across the pond, Audrey. Thank you, Audrey. I shall cherish that. Okay. Oh my goodness. There's loads in here. Trusty scissors. Oh, I watched you make these, Audrey. They're so cute. So cute. Thank you. Oh, Audrey, you've sent me too much stuff here. Okay. strawberry jam from the Krauss Berry Farms, which is where I know Audrey has all of her pieces, where she sells all her stock. Oh, I love strawberry jam. Oh, strawberry rhubarb. I didn't spot that. Strawberry rhubarb, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. I'll get everything out and then... What has she sent me? Oh, Audrey, you're just so kind. Look at these. How cute are they? Now, I think that's it. Well, I've got all of this to open. I'm going to go with these, I think. Oh, I love this, Audrey. I can't wait to use this. Thank you so much. For those of you that already follow, and probably most of you, all of you do, you know that Audrey's a whiz with a 3D printer. Look, how cute are they? Oh, I love them. One for me and one for my brother, Matthew. We will cherish them, thank you. Okay. I will be recycling all of this wrapping. Very well wrapped. Oh, Audrey! Oh. Thank you. Look at that. It is stunning. I remember you taking this out of the kiln and oh, it is even better in person. Look at, oh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can't tell you what that means. All of it. You may be seeing something coming up. I'll be making something out of this. I'll call it my Audrey strawberry. And I'm going to have my jam on some toast because I've not had my breakfast yet. And I will be seeing my brother later and I shall give him his strawberry too. And these are beautiful. They're so lovely. I don't even know if I want to use them. Thank you. Thank you so much. You are so precious and such a beautiful person. And I feel really grateful to have you in my life, and I can't wait to meet you. So thank you for watching. I will take some photographs, and if by any stretch you don't subscribe to Audrey, please go straight away and subscribe to Audrey's channel, because she is an amazing potter and an incredible artist, and I feel absolutely blown away by your incredible gift. And this mug is stunning. Oh, and my little baby strawberry too. So that is going to live on my studio with all my other precious pieces, and I will cherish this mug and use it. So thank you so much, Audrey. Sending you a big, big squeeze from Stoke-on-Trent in the UK, and sending lots of love. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.